Hey guys, my name is Leo and you're watching Learn Punjabi with Leo and welcome to my channel. So guys, today I have a very amazing and informative topic for you. So today we are going to discuss several sentences that are basic sentences of Punjabi language that you can use in everyday life. So without further, let's get into the video. If you're going to someone's house and you know that the person is Punjabi, so before you say some introductory sentences to that person, first of all, you have to know that what is the religion of that person, because you know the Punjabiyat is a ethnicity. So Punjabi is a ethnicity and the religion is a different thing. So if you're going to a person's house and you probably wonder that what his religion is, and if you come to know his religion, so if he is a Muslim, you can say to him Assalamu alaikum, or simply you can short it to this sentence, which is Salam. And if you're meeting to a Sikh person, okay, Sikh person, so you can say to him Sat Shri Akal. And if you want to add more meaning to your these sentences, you can add a gesture to them as well. If you're meeting with a Hindu person, you can say to him Namaskar, Namaskar. And if you're meeting with a Christian person, you can say to him hello, or you can say to him Salam. After these sentences, you may have to say to him that how he is doing. So you can say to him Tuada ki hale, Tuada ki hale. In return, the answer of this question will be Main theek haan, Main theek haan, Main theek haan. To add more meaning to this sentence, you can say Hor dasso, hor sunao. And after you have said these sentences, you can say to that person that what is his name or what is her name. So when you impose this question, you can ask in Punjabi in this way: Tuada naam ki hai? Tuada naam ki hai? Okay? And in return, the answer of this question will be Mera naam, jo bhi tuada naam hai, whatever your name is, like Mera naam Leo hai, Mera naam Leo hai, my name is Leo. Now, probably a native will ask you a question. He will say this question, that from which country you are. So in Punjabi it would be like this: Tusi kede mulk to wo, Tusi kede mulk to wo. And in reply to this question, you can say I am from UK, I am from USA, मैं UK ਤੋਂ ਹਾਂ, मैं अमरीका ਤੋਂ ਹਾਂ, मैं UK ਤੋਂ ਹਾਂ, मैं अमरीका ਤੋਂ ਹਾਂ. So now you probably want to buy something and you want to go to the grocery store. So when you go to the grocery store and you are actually at the grocery store, you can say this particular sentence: Edi कीमत की है? What's the price of this? What's the price of this? Now, in return of this question, there will be an answer. So that answer could be, the price of this thing is this. Edi कीमत ऐ वे, Edi कीमत ऐ वे, Edi कीमत ऐ वे. You want to go to some place, but you don't know the location of that place, or you are having a difficulty to go to that place. So what you will do is to ask the location from the native person. So in which way you can say this specific sentence? So you can go to the native, or if you're at a road, or if you are at any place, you can ask the native, Tusi minnu ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ? Can you tell me this address? Can you tell me this address? In return, the answer would be yes, of course. And in return, you can say to him, thank you, shukriya, or you can say thank you. If you're speaking to a Sikh person, he will probably say to you, Dhanyavad. And if you're asking a location from a Muslim person, he would probably say to you, Shukriya. Or you can say to him, Shukriya. Or you can say to a Sikh person, Dhanyavad. Now, probably you are having a conversation with the native person and you are just chit-chatting with the native person and you want to say, today weather is very good. So what you can say, Aj mosam bahut changa hai. Aj mosam bahut changa hai. Okay, you can say today the weather is very good. In return to this question, the native will say to you, yes, हाँ, आज मौसम बहुत चंगा है. आज मौसम बहुत चंगा है. Yes, the weather is very good today. Now, probably you are at your host place, or some native family is hosting you and they are doing the work. So you can ask to them, की करदे पए हो? की करदे पए हो? What are you doing? So in return, they can answer you in this way to this question, that I am doing this. I am doing this. So you will probably say to them that, do you need any help? So you can say this sentence in this way, कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਮਦਦ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ? कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਮਦਦ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ? Now they will say to you to this question that yes, of course, हाँ बिल्कुल, हाँ बिल्कुल. Now you are at the host house and they will offer you different things. So first thing that they will offer you is the water. So they will ask you, do you want to drink water? So in Punjabi it would be like this, ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਪੀਵੋਗੇ? ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਪੀਵੋਗੇ? And return to this question, you can answer this that yes, I want to drink water. Yes, I want to drink water. मैं पानी पीना चाहता वां. मैं पानी पीना चाहता वां. After they will serve you the water, they will also ask you that ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਖਾਓਗੇ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਖਾਓਗੇ? What would you like to eat? So in return to this question, you can answer in this way. So first of all, if you are a white person, you probably don't eat that much spicy. So first of all, you will say to them that, is this spicy? ਕੀ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਮਿਰਚ ਮਸਾਲਾ ਹੈ ਵੇ? ਕੀ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਮਿਰਚ ਮਸਾਲਾ ਹੈ ਵੇ? ਜਾਂ ਇਹ ਮਿਰਚੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ? Okay, you can say this, and they will probably ask you, when they will be serving you, they will ask you, will you eat roti or you will eat other thing? So ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾਓਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਛ ਹੋਰ ਖਾਓਗੇ? So you will say to them, yes, of course, whatever you are eating right now, I will eat that. So ਜੋ ਕੁਛ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਉਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਖਾਵਾਂਗਾ. ਜੋ ਕੁਛ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਉਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਖਾਵਾਂਗਾ. So after this, you will probably greet to them and will say thank you, right? You will say ਧੰਨਵਾਦ, ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਖਿਲਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ. Thank you for serving me and taking care of me. Now you will probably leave their home, and when you will leave their home, you will say to them, ਤਾਲਾ ਲਾ ਲਓ ਜਾਂ ਕੁੰਡੀ ਲਾ ਲਓ. Lock the door, right? Lock the door, I'm going. Lock the door, I'm going. ਕੁੰਡੀ ਲਾ ਲਓ, ਮੈਂ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ. And sometime probably the host will say to you, ਤੁਸੀਂ where are you going? Like sometimes it's not like regular thing, but sometimes they will probably say to you that ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? Where are you going? You can say to them, to this question, that I'm just going outside, you can say to them that मैं बाहर, you can say to them that I'm going outside to, meet other people, right? So you can say to them मैं बाहर जा रहा किसी होर नू मिलन वास्ते, मैं बाहर जा रहा किसी होर नू मिलन वास्ते. So after this you will probably again you will go to a shop and you will ask to that person that you need a bottle of water. So what you will do, you will go to that person and you will ask, पानी दी बोतल है, पानी दी बोतल है, do you have bottle of water, do you have bottle of water. So this was the video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video and have learned something very informative about the Punjabi language. So I'll be back with another informative video about the Punjabi language, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell, because 80% of you have not subscribed to my channel. You are only watching to my channel videos, but you're not subscribing to my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, so that you can get the notification. So I'll meet you again with another informative video about the Punjabi language. Up until, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.